Are you looking for easy and effective ways to add chia seeds to your routine for weight loss? In this video, you'll discover creative ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet, offering simple, tasty options you can enjoy regularly. Say goodbye to guesswork. Let's explore how you can start using chia seeds to reach your goals. Chia seeds are small, nutrient-packed seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, commonly found in Guatemala and Mexico. These seeds, typically black or white, have a rich history dating back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans relied on chia seeds as a staple food source, prized for their fiber, healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Beyond their nutritional content, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants and offer multiple health benefits, including improved heart health, digestion support, reduced inflammation, and effective weight loss support. Chia seeds' high fiber and protein content makes them highly effective and helpful for weight management, a claim backed by scientific studies. For example, a study published by the National Library of Medicine followed 77 people with overweight and type 2 diabetes on a reduced-calorie diet for 6 months. The results showed that participants who included chia seeds in their diet experienced greater weight loss than those who took a placebo. These findings suggest that chia seeds can be a beneficial addition to traditional obesity treatments. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fats from alpha-lipoic acids, essential plant-based fatty acids that contribute to overall wellness. Having known the origin and nutritional contents of chia seeds, let's explore some creative ways to add chia seeds to your daily routine. Number 1. The famous chia seed water. One of the creative ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet is through the famous chia seeds water. This is unarguably one of the easiest and most popular ways to consume chia seeds for weight loss. It is really easy to make and does not require any special form of preparation. And it has been proven one of the most effective ways to preserve the fiber content in the seeds. If you are really interested in giving your water a healthy boost, then you should definitely give this a try. It's a known fact that no one can do without drinking water for a long time. Now imagine drinking the water while you are also taking in nutrients that help you feel full between meals, help in digestion, and most importantly play a huge role in your body losing weight due to the high fiber content in the seeds. To prepare, simply add a tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water. For extra flavor, add a squeeze of lemon. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, allowing the chia seeds to swell and form a gel. Give it a good shake or stir, then drink. To get the best results, consume this drink about 30 minutes before meals and at regular intervals throughout the day. If you find the gel texture isn't for you, don't worry, keep watching for another way to enjoy chia seeds without the gel. Number 2. It can be added in salad dressing. Another creative way to incorporate chia seeds to your diet is by adding them in your normal salad dressing. If you prefer eating chia seeds raw, adding them directly to your salad dressing is an easy way to incorporate them without forming the gel-like texture. Chia seeds add a satisfying crunchy taste to your salad, along with a boost of fiber and protein, which are key ingredients for weight loss. Shifting to salads with green veggies is often recommended by medical personnel and specialists for those on a weight loss journey. This is because of the essential compounds found in these veggies and natural form, which are considered to be effective in nourishing the body while keeping it healthy. To prepare this, simply sprinkle chia seeds over your salad bowl. Mix everything together and enjoy a nutritious, filling meal. Number 3. Chia seeds in baked goods. Chia seeds are also a versatile addition to baked goods, adding both visual appeal and sweet taste while maintaining its nutritional content. You can use chia seeds whole or ground as a part of the dry ingredients used in dough or pastry. You may decide to sprinkle the seeds on your dough or pastry before baking, giving it a more attractive and decorative look. Or include the seeds in ground form while mixing the ingredients all together, because chia seeds have a very soft outer shell which is easily digestible. They retain their full nutritional benefits whether used whole or ground. So you really get to decide how you prefer to include them in your baking product. For recipes that need a smoother texture, like cakes or brownies, ground chia seeds work best. For baked goods with more texture, such as cookies, muffins, or seeded breads, whole chia seeds are more suitable, as they add a delightful crunch. Another nutritional value that chia seeds add to your baking product is its ability to be used in place of eggs. Sounds surprising, right? This is possible due to the gel-forming ability of chia seeds when soaked in water for some minutes. For each egg, you need to replace 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, ground or whole, mixed with 3 tablespoons of water will do the trick. Allow the chia seeds to form a gel in the water by leaving it to sit for 10 minutes. This gel can also be used to replace thickeners like gelatin or a binder in dishes like burgers, meatloaf, and meatballs. Including chia seeds in your baking not only boosts the nutritional value of your products, but also helps replace certain ingredients that might not align with your weight loss goals. Number 4. Chia seeds in smoothies. Adding chia seeds to smoothies is another way of incorporating it to your diet. As a way of reducing your weight, you may decide to take more on smoothies with natural fruits and vegetables blended together, due to the natural nutritional content found in them. But chia seeds can take your smoothie up a notch by adding extra fiber and protein content to them. All you need to do is add chia seeds to the smoothie and you are good to go. A teaspoon of chia seeds per smoothie serving will enhance its nutritional content without overpowering the flavors. You can blend chia seeds into your smoothie bowl along with your favorite toppings. Enjoy it before the seeds expand into a gel-like texture. If you're not a fan of adding anything beyond fruits to your smoothies, no worries. The next idea might be more to your taste. Number 5. Chia seeds in pudding. Another creative way to incorporate chia seeds in your diet is by adding it to puddings. Puddings are usually eaten in the form of dessert. It's often eaten as the last course of a meal because they are rich or sweet, with the option of being eaten either warm or cold. If you are a starter and prefer not to have chia seeds in your main meal, puddings offer a delicious way to incorporate it into your meal and get used to eating them. To add chia seeds to your pudding, just a tablespoonful or 2 will be enough. Remember to stir properly and then let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, preferably in the refrigerator. As the chia seeds settle in the pudding, they will become gel-like. Therefore, you need to stir well before eating. This chia pudding makes a great post-meal treat that keeps you feeling full for longer due to the seeds' high fiber and protein content. If you'd like to try chia seeds in a warm dish, stay tuned for the next technique. Number 6. Chia seeds in porridge. Incorporating chia seeds to porridge is another creative way to enjoy their benefits in your meal. Starting your day with chia seed porridge is a delicious way to kickstart your morning with a warm, nutrient-packed meal, especially on colder days. To prepare chia porridge, soak the seeds in milk overnight. This helps release more of their nutrients and makes them easier to digest. In the morning, you'll have a thick, creamy porridge that's both satisfying and nutritious. Number 7. Chia Juice. Another creative way to incorporate chia seeds in your diet is by adding them to juice. For those focused on healthy eating, chia juice is a simple way to boost the nutrient content of any drink. While it might sound unconventional, adding chia seeds to juice is an easy way to introduce extra fiber and protein. To do this, soak a small amount of chia seeds in water for a few minutes until they form a gel. Then mix them into your favorite juice. The chia seeds blend well with any flavor, so you can experiment with different juice options to find your favorite combination. Number 8. Chia Cereal. The last creative way you can add chia to your diet for weight loss is by swapping your usual cereal during breakfast for chia cereal. To make it, soak the seeds overnight in milk or a milk substitute like almond milk. To make it even more enjoyable, you can top your chia porridge with nuts, fresh fruits, or spices like cinnamon. You can also use mashed banana and vanilla extract to make a delicious morning treat. There you have it, creative ways to use chia seeds for effective weight loss. So have you ever tried any of this technique? We'd like to know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips.